Oh goodness, this show's funny. Alright. We're gonna watch that. Alright, let's go. Elite. Elite Baseball. After Elite Baseball, we will skip over Gold Standard. Gold Standard. It did everything in Elite did so. Gold Standard will be tomorrow afternoon. Then after Elite, we will do High Tech Baseball. First auto tonight, going to the Marlins to 649, Brian Anderson. Brian Anderson. The Marlins, auto number 1. Base. So we'll probably go a little slower tonight since we don't have Gold Standard and High Tech, I don't believe, is until 10. Say auto number 2. Going to the Cubbies. Number to 799. Number to 799, Justin Steele. We actually, Justin Steele. Base. Got a Elite Series, Dodgers, Grant Holmes. Base. Although I was kind of, speaking of AT&T Park, I was kind of surprised they said that we didn't get to see the World Series trophies. Got Phillies to 200, Derek Campbell. Derek Campbell. 200 for the Phillies. Base. They actually said when we went there that the World Series trophies have only been there a couple of times since they won them. Luis Gonzalez. Historic picks, Houston Astros. So they said they're actually not there very long, or not often. Got a 15 and under. So 199 USA Auto, Blake Powell. Blake Powell. Or Paw. Base. Oh yeah, I'm not even on live TV. Oh, let's see. Spurs and the Raptors, that's the lead, isn't it? Alright. Die cut, Washington Nationals, 150. Jackson Reitz. Die cut for the Nats, 150. Base behind it. Got a Aaron Nola. Expectations for the Phillies. Base. Got a blue die cut to 100, Jake Reed. Minnesota. Oh, base. It's going solid behind us. So try hitting the stop and then the start. That should help. Got Cody Maris for the Brewers. Base. Got a Angels 2799. AJ Venegas. for the Angels, $7.99. Base. Your USA jersey card is a 15 and under. Bryce Terang. Bryce Terang, 15 and under. 4 base. 5 base. We did for the most part. The most exciting thing we saw was Alcatraz. That was awesome. All base. That was the biggest thing I wanted to see. Got number 250 for the Twins, Michael Cedric. Michael Cedric, Minnesota Twins, number 50. Base. Got Raciel Iglesias, Cincinnati Reds. And the rain held off for us too, which was awesome. Rookie auto to 699, Cincinnati Reds. TJ Anton. TJ Anton. Thanks. I bet. Got Milwaukee Brewers, number 250. On card, Cody Mederos, number 250. Cody Mederos. Base. Die cut. Going to the Yankees to 200. Jordan Montgomery. Base. Force fan. Last pack. Box number 1. Finishing with it. Auto. Going to St. Louis Cardinals to 799. Cole Langford. Cole Langford. Finishing box 1. Box number 2. Box 2. Got a St. Louis Cardinal to 75. Austin Gomer. Austin Gomer, 75. So back-to-back Cardinals autos. Auto San Diego Padres to 499. Got Michael Yetis. We did. So I'm not sure when we'll it might be a couple years. Michael Yetis. Ace. Got a Kansas City Royal to 349. Scott blew it. Scott blew it for the Royals. 349. 4 base. Elite Series, Tampa Bay, Casey Gillespie. Or Gillespie. Base. Elite Series of San Diego's Trey Turner. Base. Die cut for the Marlins to 200. Justin Twine. Justin Twine. Base. Slide that one back. Padres, number 2, 7.99. Got Mitch Watros. Mitch Watros for the Padres. Base. Historic picks again. Houston's Luis Gonzalez. Base. Expectations, Tyler Kolek for the Marlins. Die cut for the Phillies to 200, Brandon Liebrandt. Brandon Liebrandt. All base. Rookie auto, sticker auto, going to Seattle, $7.99. Dan Altavilla. Seattle, Dan Altavilla. 4 base. That's funny. Got Oakland to 150, Brett Graves. On base. Rookie auto, St. Louis again, $7.99. Duplicate auto. For the Cardinals, Cole Langford. Cole Langford. Four base. Rookie auto going to Milwaukee Brewers. Number to 7.99, sticker auto. JB Cole. JB Cole. Base. Auto going to the Giants to 399. On card, Tyler Beatty. Tyler Beatty for the Giants, 399. Base. Expectations of Boston's Michael Chavis. 4 base. Your USA jersey is an 18 and under. You got Brian Hayes. Brian Hayes, 18 and under. 4 base. Last pack, box 2. Die cut for the Cardinals to 150, Andrew Morales. Base. Box 3. Box 3. First auto going to go to the Cincinnati Reds, looks like. On a card, $5.99. Wyatt Strahan. Base. Die cut going the Diamondbacks to 150, Mason McCullough. Base. Auto going to the Phillies. I believe it was a Philly. Number 2, $7.99. Sticker auto. Brandon Liebrand. Who says Brandon Liebrand? 4 base. Your USA jersey, 18 and under. L.T. Tolbert. USA, L.T. Tolbert. Four base. All 5 base. Five more base. Die cut number to 100, Cleveland's Grant Hockin. Grant Hockin. 4 base. Five more base. Oh, three all base packs in the same box. Historic picks, your third historic picks of Luis Gonzalez. Astros. Die cut of Toronto's Lane Thomas. This one numbered to 200. Base. Another all 5 base. Expectations of Blue Jays, Max Pentecost. Rookie auto. I think this is the first time we've seen this guy. Number to 75, Boston Red Sox. Rusty Castillo. Boston Red Sox, Rusty Castillo, numbered to 75. Base. Expectations of Casey Gillespie. Bay Rays. 4 base. Slide that stack back. Auto going to, I know, that's the first time we've seen Castillo in, I think this is case, finishing case 2, or case 3, I think it's case 2. $7.99, Trace Lower, Oakland Athletics. Trace Lower. 4 base. Elite Series of Rangers, Luis Ortiz. Base. Elite Series again, Padres, Trey Turner. 4 base. Sticker auto going to the Rockies, number to 100. Max George. Colorado Rockies, Max George. 4 base. Another auto, this one going to the Boston Red Sox to 100. Reed Riley. Reed Riley, Boston Red Sox, number to 100. 4 base. Last pack, box 3. Die cut for the Marlins to 200, Michael Mayer. Michael Mayer. 4 base. In just a second, we'll start on box number 4. Alright, box number 4. Box 4. And then remember, Gold Standard will not be until tomorrow. So Gold Standard basketball, not till tomorrow. After this, we will do high-tech baseball. Go. Box number 4. All base. The Elite Series of Raciel Iglesias, again, Cincinnati Reds. Base. Rookie auto, Pittsburgh Pirates, on card to 399. Connor Joe. Pittsburgh Pirates, Connor Joe. Full base. Expectations, Pentecost. Toronto Blue Jays, Max Pentecost. Die cut to 25, Cole Langford, St. Louis Cardinals. Base. Rookie auto on card, duplicate, $7.99 for the Padres. The second, Mitch Watchers for the Padres. Base. Elite Series of Grant Holmes for the Dodgers. USA jersey, 18 and under. You've got Austin Smith. Austin Smith, 18 and under. Base. Die cut for the Yanks, Jacob Lindgren to 200. Jacob Lindgren. Rookie auto going to Cleveland Indians. Cleveland Indians sticker auto to $7.99. Jared Robinson. Jared Robinson. Base. Auto going to the Dodgers on card to $499. Alex Vertigo. For the Dodgers, Alex Vertigo. Base. Got another on card. This one numbered to 100 for the Phillies. Number to 100. Philadelphia Phillies. Aaron Nola. Number to 100. Aaron Nola. Base. Another Elite Series, Brewers, Cody Medeiros. Base. Die cut for the Orioles to 150, Dario Alvarez. Dario Alvarez. Base. Expectations, Brewers, Cody Medeiros. Blue for the Brewers to 100, Troy Stokes. Base. Auto, die cut, number to 75. Milwaukee Brewers. Javi Salas. Javi Salas. Milwaukee Brewers. Base. Another auto. This one numbered to 10. Duplicate, though, I believe. Numbered to 10. St. Louis Cardinals. Austin Gilmer. St. Louis Cardinals. Austin Gilmer. Full base. Always. Last pack, box 4. Gonna finish with a New York Met. Usually there's not that much Met stuff in here. New York Mets, number to 100. Josh Paribos. New York Mets, Josh Paribos. Base. We'll slide out. We'll slide that side back. Box number 5. Then we'll move on to high-tech baseball. And after high-tech baseball, that's going to do it because remember our gold standard basketball will not be till tomorrow afternoon. There you go, they're all falling everywhere. I don't think he's back. I don't think he's made it back yet. Where are we at? I don't see him back on there. There we go. Box 5. Got Cody Maros, Brewers, Elite Series. Elite Series, Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Another Elite Series, St. Louis's Jack Flaherty. Got a Minnesota Twins, number to 799. Sam Clancy. 799. Sam Clancy. Minnesota Twins. Base. Historic picks. Wow, really? Luis Gonzalez. I think that's a 4th. Luis Gonzalez. Historic picks tonight for the Astros. Die cut your Kansas City Royals, number to 200, Brandon Finnegan. Brandon Finnegan. Atlanta Braves on card, $4.99. Braxton Davidson. Braxton Davidson. The Atlanta Braves. 4 base. Got Phillies expectations. Aaron Nola. Base. Rookie auto, Minnesota Twins. Number to 799. Jake Reed. Jake Reed. Race. Chicago for the Cubbies, I believe, $7.99. Dylan Cease. Dylan Cease for the Cubs, $7.99. Four base. Auto going to Colorado Rockies. Number to 799. Richard Prigatano. Richard Prigatano. Four A's. So I know on our Apple computer, every time we, anytime there's a new Flash player, it won't let us go live until we update the newest one. I think we had to update the newest one Saturday. I think yesterday, yeah, I think we had to update the newest one before it let us broadcast. Ghetto the Reds, 25, Taylor Sparks. Taylor Sparks. Cincinnati Reds to 25. Four base. Got an Angels sticker auto to $5.99. Pitcher Chris Ellis. Chris Ellis. Four base. Another rookie auto, Boston Red Sox, $7.99. Kind of looks like Mike Davis for the Oakland Raiders. His auto is a bunch of scribbles. Jake Cosart. Boston Red Sox, Jake Cosart. Four base. Another auto. This one going to Tampa Bay Rays. Tampa Bay $3.99. Cameron Vega. Tampa Bay Rays, Cameron Vega. Four base. Your USA jersey card, 18 under. And under. Max Wotel. Max Wotel. Four base. Die cut number to 100 for the Detroit Tigers, Grayson Greiner. Four base. On card auto, Seattle Mariners, number to 100. Austin Coesno. Austin Coesno, Seattle, number to 100. Full base. Last 2 packs, Elite Baseball. Then we'll move on to High Tech Baseball. Got Pirates, number to 100, Cole Tucker. Cole Tucker, number to 100. 4 base. Last pack, Elite Baseball tonight. Gonna finish with a die cut, number to 200, Blue Jays, Dalton Pompey. Dalton Pompey. 4 base. Finishing your Elite Baseball tonight.